What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today is Sunday, January 24th. I've got 10 orders to pack up from last night and this morning, and today is actually the day of the USPS shipping increase. According to their website, priority mail went up about 3.5% and first class went up about 6.5%. So we'll go through some of these orders. Most of them are going to be first class, and I think I may have one or two that are going priority. So we'll check out what the actual shipping increase looks like. All right, so first up, not the best flip, but a pair of Vaseline Clinical Care Eczema Calming Cream. I paid, I think, about $4 or $5 for these, and at the time I bought them, they were going for like, I think, 20 or 25 bucks for the pair. But as the expiration date was getting near, I decided to just lower the price to $14.98, and somebody bought them. So next up, in bin B3, number 275, we have this Fashionable short sleeve button-down shirt, sold for $16.20 with shipping. The next, in bin R3, number 1060, we have this Tommy Hilfiger or Tommy Jeans long sleeve shirt, sold for $12 plus shipping. The next, in bin W3, which is up here, we have actually two orders in this bin. So first was this Ex Officio button down or button front long sleeve. Took a best offer of $14 plus $4.95 shipping. And then next is this Fashionable Classique 100% linen button down long sleeve, sold for $18 plus $4.95 shipping. The next, in bin V1, number 1271, which is down here, we have this Scott Barber long sleeve button down, sold for $9.35 plus $4.95 shipping. Bin H1, Armani Exchange. It had like a metallic stripe. I don't know if you can see that on video, but in person it's like a lot shinier. Took a best offer of $12 plus $4.95 shipping. Then in bin A3, I sold this BMW Motorsport short sleeve polo for $18.70 plus $4.95 shipping. And the final two sales are going to the same buyer. In bin J2, we have this Fashionable Classique that was in the video a couple days ago. Did have some wear on the collar. My price is kind of low, but it sold for $13.60 plus shipping. And the same buyer bought the other Fashionable shirt in M2. That's right here, the other Classique, which had the same thing, a little bit of wear, and it sold for $13.60 plus $4.95 shipping. So this will probably go in a padded flat rate, and we'll see what the actual price increase was. All right, so first up to ship, we have the two Vaseline Clinical Care products. They were over £1, so I decided to put them in a padded flat rate. I did put them in a box first just to protect them a little bit better. Just for reference, before the shipping increase, I paid about $7.52 to ship anything out in a padded flat rate, and the price to ship out now is $7.76, so about a 25-cent increase. So it's going to be a little hard to calculate first class shipping since there are different zones and different weights, and I don't really remember exactly what the pricing is for each one, but for just a general reference, we'll go through what the cost is for 1 to 4 ounce rate, 5 to 8 ounce, 9 to 12, and 13 to 15.9. From here where I live in Florida to North Carolina, which is still on the East Coast, and then I'll try to find one that's going to California or as far away as possible on the West Coast and give you guys the price difference. So I found one that's going to North Carolina, and for reference, at a 1 ounce rate or 1 to 4 ounce rate, it would cost $3.12. Then at a 5 ounce rate, it would cost $3.57. And then at a 9 ounce rate, it would cost $4.20. And then at a 13 ounce rate, it would cost $5.42. All right, so I found one that's going to California, so we'll see what the price difference is on this. So at 1 ounce, this shirt would cost me $3.49 to ship to California. At 5 ounces, it would cost me $3.85. At 9 ounces, it would cost $4.68. And at 13 ounces, it would cost $5.98. So this shirt weighs 12 ounces, so it's going to cost me $4.68 to ship to California. I charge $4.95 for all my shirts and $7.99 for all my jackets and sweaters and stuff. And I think eventually I'm going to have to increase my pricing as, you know, USPS keeps increasing theirs. But the biggest thing you can do to save money on shipping is order all your supplies like in bulk. I order 1,000 poly bags at a time, so my cost is like 1 to 3 cents for one of these bags. I put all of them in these self-seal poly bags with the warning label. I think these cost me like 2 or 3 cents a piece. And I order all of my priority mail stuff directly from USPS for free. They'll ship it directly to you. I have a link to everything down below in the description. It's definitely something that'll save you money on shipping, so definitely check that out. So I think I'm just going to get these packed up, and that'll be it for today. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys tomorrow.